What's up everyone, today I'll show you how to get the globe and the frozen globe and how to melt it and hello neighbor. I'll show the location where to get it. So if you want to melt it, I'll show you. Because you know something will be really bad. Really bad. Oh my good show. Crows. So I think first things first. I think you have to get the green gramophone, which is literally inside this door. So I guess we have to get that globe. We have to get that globe right now.
Napaaga man ang dating ko, pero mas mabuti ng maaga kaysa naman sa late. Dahil dito sa Australia, di uubra ang Pilipinong time. Naalala ko noon nung nagbabarko pa ako, halos ganito rin yung setup tuwing sasampa kapag nakahalukurahay ang barko. Bali na sa 40 minutes
Let's
din
just die.
Kasabay ko yung mga deliveries.
Okay.
Kaya para sa barko lang.
Since you got that thing, since it's midnight or nighttime, I mean, since it's nighttime, we can go inside this thing. Go here and then jump here and then okay. We need the green gramophone first. I don't know. If we lose it, we're cooked. Okay, here's the green gramophone. Okay, since you got the green gramophone, go here and go to your left. You'll need to go in the apple shooting room and then the apples cannot shoot the levers anymore. So you have to pull these levers all the way to the right, I think, and then when you get there, try to jump on this train track and then jump here. So yeah, this thing turns on and then you got the globe. Wait, did I say melt the freezing? Yeah, you got the globe now. So if you wanna freeze it, then you have to go in your house and then open the fridge and then place the globe there. That's what I learned, okay? Just make sure it's all the way in the fridge. So yeah, that's freezes. So, thank you everyone for watching, and I see you in the next video. That's how you get the globe. So thank you everyone for watching, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye!